Welcome to Excel Module 5 Project 1C. Let's get started. First, we're going to download our start files. I won't reference the instruction file too much because I'm guessing you want a shorter video. And as you can see, we just got three downloads. So one of them is our support file. So we can open that and enable editing, then close this reactive part. And we're going to reference that later. Then we can open our real file. Awesome. And enable editing. Then come back and get our expected file name. Don't copy the XLSX. Come back here, enable content. Close this, and now we're ready to get started. Just come File, Save As, copy and paste that name into here, and save it. Alrighty. Now the first thing we're going to do is select United States, press Shift, and click Australia. So now you can see all three charts are selected. You're going to come here on United States, and it's going to do them to all of them. And click on H1. Oh, it's already here. What luck. Type # today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, enter. That'll give us our date. Now we're going to want to do in the Home tab, we can come to Find and Select. So let's find Science Fantasy. We're going to replace that with Science Fiction and press Replace All. We made 3 replacements. That's perfect. And then press Close. Now we are going to go to H5 and fill this to 05. Perfect. Create a new cell style by going Cell Style, New Cell Style, and we're going to call it Subhead. Press OK. Now apply that to H6. You can press Control H8. Here, just do it to H6 first. So go to Cell Styles, and we just created a subhead. Perfect. And now in H8, Cell Styles, subhead. Cool. Alright, that didn't look quite right. Undo that, and it's going to be applied to H6 and H8, not H9. That's why. Cool. Cell Styles, subhead, perfect. Now we are going to click H7 and press Shift 07, then go to Fill, which is right here, go to Series, click Trend, press OK. Now select H9. I'm having trouble seeing the numbers today. Press 09, and then go again to Fill, Series. This time we're going to want it growth rather than linear, and the step value would be 1.03. And press OK. And make sure for here, make sure we selected trend. Let's see. Trend. There we go. It shouldn't affect the values, but just for like due diligence, it's good to do that. Alright. The next thing we're going to do is go to all locations. So go and click B6. We're going to type equals sum parenthesis, click US, Shift, Australia, and then click B6, and then enter. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Now we're going to copy that and select B6 through B7, hit Control, and then select B7 through B11, and then C6 through E11. And then we're going to paste just a formula, so click right here. And then we're also going to paste it into here. So select B16 through E21, go to our paste, just formula. Perfect. Now we are going to add something to the formula already in B22. So click before the sum and type round up parenthesis then there should be some, and then after that do comma 0 parenthesis enter. That's just going to round the decimal places. Fill that to F22. Perfect. Now in A16, select A16 through A21 and hold down Control and then select F16 through F21. And we're going to insert a 3D pie chart by going Insert, Pie Charts 3D. And you're going to put the upper left corner in B25, and then the bottom right corner in F40. Perfect. Then you're going to retitle the chart Total Sales. Then click Add. We want data labels on the outside end. Then go to More Options. Click this little thing. Click Label Options. And the only thing we want checked is category name and percentage. And you can uncheck value and show linear lines. Now go to the number section. And instead of general, we want it to be a percentage. And instead of 2 decimal places, we just want 1. And now select mystery until it's just those 3 dots around it. And we want the point explosion to be 8%. Perfect. Now we're going to go to design. So where is this? Make sure your chart is selected. Go to chart design, add chart element. We want to go to legend and do none. Now go to page layout. We're done with the chart. Go to page layout, margins, and we want custom margins. It's going to want the top at 0.25 and the bottom at 0.25 too. Press OK. Then we are going to set our print area. So select A1 and then come down to F41, press Shift click. Then we can print area, set print area. Now we want to go to view and do page layout view. Go back to insert. Go to go to page layout, sorry. Then under page setup, we can go to header and footer. And we're going to, under footer, go all locations and press OK. Then we can go back to view and go to our normal view. Now we're going to make a new sheet by pressing this plus, retitle it, Sales Comparison. Then in A1, we're going to type total sales and auto fit that to the column width. Then in B1, go equals, then press all sales and F22. Where's F22? Enter. Perfect. Now, in all locations, we are going to select A15 through B21 and also select, by holding down Control, E15 through E21. Then we want to go Insert and under our charts, where is it? Let's go all charts, this custom colored chart. Clustered columns chart, I believe is the one we want. Yes, this is the one we want. And then let's move this chart to object in sales comparison. Press OK. And then we're going to want the top left corner in A3. Perfect. We're going to retitle that chart Oh, does it not want us to retitle it? Okay, no need to retitle the chart then. That makes it easier. All we have to do is copy the United States sheet. So click on it, do move or copy, create copy. We're going to move to end, press OK. Rename that to new location. And then clear the contents of B6 through E11. So let's clear contents, and then clear the contents of H2 as well. Awesome, and I saved the support file step for last. So what we're gonna do for that is go back to our all locations, and in F24, we're gonna want this to reference our support files. So you can open your support file and minimize it so you can see them both. Come here. Gosh, one sec. Alright, this is great. So in F24 on our original, we're just going to want to do equal sign and then click on F22 in this one. So let's try this one more time. Equal sign. Perfect. F22. Great. Let's open this back up and this should be good to submit. I'm going to go submit it to make sure we got 100. Alright, we got a 33 out of 35. Just one thing wrong, the subhead cell color should be formatted, two things. In all locations worksheet, top and bottom, I think we set the top and bottom margins, but those are the two things if you want to go back and fix. I'm going to say good job and see you on the next one.